Oaktree selling 62% of itself to Brookfield Asset Management. People, our viewers may know Oaktree, of course, led by Howard Marks, who will continue as the co-chairman of the company. Bruce Karsh also as co-chairman and chief investment officer. Jay Weintraub as chief executive officer. All will continue. They're going to run them separately, but it's an important transaction. Make no mistake about it. We'll keep an eye on shares of Oaktree this morning. They're halted right now, but let me give you the details. About 62% is going to be acquired by Brookfield, so they are going to control Oaktree Capital, has about $120 billion in assets, and they do specialize in alternative investments, of course, what they call opportunistic, value-oriented, and risk-controlled approach. Credit is a big part of their portfolio. Brookfield is focused on real estate to a large extent, although they've expanded beyond that. They have about $350 billion in assets. It's $49 a share in cash, or 1.770 Class A shares of Brookfield. It'll be a 50-50 consideration overall, depending on how people choose to go. And as Carl threw it over to me, I was just trying to look through here to see, in fact, whether there is any sort of path to further purchase by Brookfield in terms of taking their stake even higher. Again, they're going to apparently run the companies separately. They're talking, though, about partnering to leverage their strengths. But a significant deal in the asset management business. Together, they still don't even equate to, I don't know, I mean, compared to the BlackRocks of the world or anything else. But significant number here for Oaktree, given $120 billion in assets, that $49 for 62% on a $6.8 billion market cap.
You do have a lot
today.
of PE firms trying to get, say, 10, 15, 20 billion. And I think Oaktree has not been able to be as effective as BlackRock. You know, there's a lot of companies out there. We don't talk about them. They're not in the papers. They buy these little companies with PE money. And these guys provide a lot of PE money. And I think that BlackRock is well ahead of them.
Yeah, it's going to need a majority of the voting interests of Oaktree approval. There is some provisions here, $225 million break fee. And in fact, they also say customary provisions relating to non-solicitation and the like. It was an independent group of directors at Oaktree that unanimously recommends Oaktree holders approve this deal. Again, Oaktree not open, it is halted. We'll see how the stock trades. $49 and or 1.077 shares of Brookfield for that 62% interest.
Okay.